Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have a square root of t minus 7 divided by t minus 7 is equals to 1, and we solve this problem for all the values of t. So we solve this problem for two different methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. The very first step we are going to do is first we move t minus 7 from left hand side to the right hand side. When this multiplied by 1, it will be written as a square root of t minus 7 is equals to t minus 7. And further in the next step we just remove the square root sign from left hand side, and for this we apply squaring on both of the sides. So when we apply squaring, it will be written as in this form. So further we have you see that this 2 and this square root are cancelled out by each other, and we will obtain here t minus 7 is equals to, in the right hand side we use the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have x minus y whole square equals to x square minus 2 times of xy plus y square. According to this formula, we write the right hand side of the above equation as this is t square minus 2 times of t into 7 plus 7 square. And further in the next step, we need more simplifications, and it will be written as t minus 7 equals to, this is t square minus 2 times 7 becomes 14 times of t plus this is 7 square becomes 49. Further in the next step, we need to rearrange the terms. So that for this we move all the terms from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will be written as t square minus 14t plus 49. This is plus t becomes minus t, this is minus 7 becomes plus 7, and this whole equation is equals to 0. In the next step, we need more simplifications, and we have t square minus 14t and minus t becomes minus 15t, and 49 plus 7 becomes here 56, and this whole equation equals to 0. And after little bit simplification, we convert our given radical equation into the quadratic form, and here we use the nice quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. And for this, first we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 15, and c is equals to 56. And we state the quadratic formula as t equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our nice quadratic formula, and here we substitute all the values of a, b, and c in this formula, and it will be written as t equals to minus b. The value of b is minus 15 plus minus square root of b square. B is minus 15 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 56 square root, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. Further, we have this is minus times minus becomes plus 15 plus minus square root of, we know that minus 15 square becomes 225 minus here we need to multiply 4 with 56, and we know that 4 times of 56 becomes 224, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And now here further we have this is 15 plus minus 225 minus 224 becomes 1, and square root of 1 is also becomes 1, and it is divided by 2. And in the next step we have t is equal to, we break this value as 15 plus 1 divided by 2, and in this side we choose the negative value, it is 15 minus 1 divided by 2. So from here we obtain there are two values of t. So we have t is equals to, this is 16 over 2, and you know that 2 8s are 16, and we get here the value of t is equals to 8. In the same pattern, from here we obtain t is equals to 14 divided by 2, and you know that 2 times 7 becomes 14, and we get the value of t is equals to 7. So from first method we will get there are two roots of the given equation, and these are 7 and 8. And now here in the next step we need to verify that is these values of t be the solution or extraneous root. So for verification of these roots, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is square root of t minus 7 divided by t minus 7 is equals to 1, and in this side we will be verify t is equals to 7, and in this side we will be verify t is equals to 8. So first we need to substitute t is equals to 7 into the left hand side, and it will be written as this will becomes here square root of 7 minus 7 divided by 7 minus 7 is equals to 1. And you know about that 7 minus 7 becomes 0 over 0 form is equals to 1. So 0 over 0 form is usually called that it is indeterminate form, or in other words we say that it is undefined. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value t is equals to 7 is not satisfied our given question statement, and we will be called that t is equals to 7 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And now in the same pattern we need to verify the second root, that is t is equals to 8, and we put t equals to 8 into the left hand side, and it will becomes here 8 minus 7 square root divided by 8 minus 7 is equals to 1, and 8 minus 7 square root becomes 1 divided by 1 is equals to 1, and we clearly get here 1 is equals to 1. This shows that the second value of t is satisfied our given question statement. And so we call that t is equals to 8 be the only one solution of the given equation, so that the solution set of this problem is 8 only. So now we again solve this problem for the second method, and our second method be the very straightforward or quick method. Here we quickly determine about the solution set of this problem, and we copy down given question statement. Here it is t minus 7 square root divided by t minus 7 is equals to 1. And here we use the nice radical properties. You know about that. If we have any number a, we write it as square root of a multiplied by square root of a. In the same pattern, we write t minus 7 as t minus 7 is equals to square root of t minus 7 multiplied by square root of t minus 7. So we replace this t minus 7 equals to this value, and our given question is written as square root of t minus 7 divided by square root of t minus 7 multiplied by square root of t minus 7 is equals to 1. So you see that this value and this value are cancelled out by each other, and here we will get the remaining values are in this form. So in the numerator side we get 1 divided by square root of t minus 7 is equals to 1. So further we need more simplifications, and we easily get the values of t, and here we move t minus 7 square root to the right hand side, and we get 1 is equals to square root of t minus 7, and we remove the square root sign. For this we apply squaring on both of the sides. These 2 and square root are gone, and we get here 1 is equals to t minus 7, and we move minus 7 in the left hand side, and we get 1 plus 8 is equals to t. Sorry, 1 plus 7 is equals to t, and we easily get the value of t is equals to 8. So in the second method we get only one root. In the first method we already verified that this value of t satisfies our given question statement, and finally we have the solutions out of this problem is 8 only. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.